profile professional jack. Get this tool for free. Pro jack for $240. Then you need a bigger one. There's another item that I do recommend, bar light, especially this big one. This was actually pretty good. We got the parking lot sale. Yes, guys, the moment we've been waiting for, the parking lot sale at the Harbor Freights. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. And also, don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, so get this tool for free with the purchase of a starter kit. Yes, these are available. These are the brand new ratchets just released at the... Guys, this is the high torque, the ultra torque 1500 foot-pound kit for $209. That is a really good deal if you compare it to the one that's 1200 foot-pounds of torque for only $79. Only $20 more is you're gonna get the kit. Plus, you're gonna get the ultra torque. That thing is a beast, guys. I'm not just saying it because I'm making the video. I'm saying it because it's actually a beast. It actually very, very comparable to the Milwaukee. You guys know the legendary Milwaukee. Yes, it's very comparable and about half the price. All right, so get this tool for free. So this is that's the battery. Same thing with the buy one get one free for the Hercules. And then these are really good, guys. I use these to make the videos for you guys. The impact wrench, impact driver videos. And then these are $5.99. These are the Hercules brand. I personally do like the Warrior brand better. They're a lot cheaper. You can just buy more of those. Guys, this one's a half-an-inch impact wrench. I would definitely use this as not as a mid-torque. I would use this as just a regular impact wrench. I did do a video on that one as well. So this one's $4.99. That's from $6.99. $49.99. Guys, keep in mind that these tags are members only, and I'll leave you guys. I'll show you guys the dates right now. Actually, I'm just gonna show you that right now. So you got the Inside Track Club memberships. These prices are already available for you guys. Everyone else that does not have that starts on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you got 3 days if you don't have that, but you're still gonna get the same price. Guys, don't rush it. If you don't have the Inside Track Club membership, you don't need it. Just wait until Friday. It's fine. They'll be there. And if not, then if you have multiple stores at your city, then just go to another store. That's it. Guys, stay away from those yellow batteries. Do not buy those batteries. They do leak. They explode. Well, they don't explode, but they do leak. They make a mess on your devices. Stay away from those. It's completely trash. All right, you got the toolbox. It's $14.99. I will show you guys that in a second. The Quinn Digital Torque Wrench. I love that thing. I will show you guys that right now. I did do a video, and that's a really old video, by the way. I do apologize for the quality, but still pretty good video on that. You got the ratcheting wrenches, the impact deep sockets there. Those are excellent, guys. Those are all excellent tools. You got the fully polished 14 piece there. What is that? Super quiet inverter generator, 3500 watt. That's pretty good for $629. Guys, the 30-inch 5-door carts, guys, those things are solid. $199. You get all these different colors. That's a really, really smoking deal. Guys, you got the off-road jack, the brand new off-road jack, $249, down from $319. You got some welders, a flux cold welder. You got a 3-ton low profile jack for $99. That's a really, really good deal. I didn't even not pay that amount. I paid like $130 on mine. So yeah, go and get them, guys. Run to the stores and get them. Well, not until Friday if you don't have the Inside Track Club membership, of course. All right, circular saw. This circular saw is $99, but if you buy the starter kit for $99, you're gonna get that for free. So basically, $50 off. That's a smoking deal. You got a reciprocating saw cordon, $39.99. It's a 10 amp variable speed reciprocating saw, and that's the same thing. And you got a sander, $14.99. It is corded again. So you got a belt sander or gear driven compact vertical. I don't know what they put, a belt sander basically. So $27.99. So $39.99 for this 5.7 amp 6 short throw. Either sander, polisher, whatever you want to call it. Most people use this as a polisher. That's actually a pretty good deal on that one as well. Alright, $109 for this fan. This is a high velocity fan. It is a 30-inch. This is a big boy for the shop. Even for the outside, if you want to put a mister on this thing, if it gets really hot where you live, put a mister. Just go to like, I believe Home Depot or Lowe's, they do sell. And yes, I can say whatever I want because Harbor Freight does not pay me for these videos. But I believe Lowe's does have a smaller kit you guys could buy and just put it on that fan. $24.99 for the variable speed rotary Warrior. That's pretty nice. It's a nice little kit. All right, so more generators. You got a $679 and then $549 for the 2,000 watt. The super quiet. It's a 9,500 watt, $18.99. That's a really, really good deal. I'll show you guys that in a second. Got the pressure washer, $169. You got the chainsaw there, really cheap. A cement mixer, $199. That's a really good deal on that one. And the tarps, I don't know if you live like where there's a lot of sun, I would stay away from those tarps. They're not gonna last as long. You got the 5mm gloves. These are the brand new green ones. Well, not brand new, but they're newer. All right, so here's the cement mixer. This was actually pretty good, guys. For $199, that's a solid deal. Not even Home Depot or Lowe's it's gonna have a price close to that. So definitely jump on this one. I need to get myself one of these, but I gotta save up for it. So you got $80.49 for this professional nailer. Got a reciprocating saw for $58.49. This is from the Hercules. This is battery powered. And then you got an edge trimmer for $37.49. These are all discounted prices, by the way. It's like a little clearance section. $3.96 for the moving tarp or the moving blanket. $9.86 for those screwdrivers. However, I haven't used them myself, so I don't know if they're actually good. Now I use these. These are okay. $6.96 for those. And then you got the socket rails. Now these are really nice. These socket rails, $15.99. They're plastic, but they're still pretty good. Nice organized. 9,000 watt generator, $679. That's not it, of course. That's right next door. And then you got a 3,500 watt, $629. So it's that one actually. So this is the older model. So it is still a super quiet, pretty nice generator. Right now, the ones that they have, the newer ones are like a biofuel or, you know, two different types of fuel. All right, this was pretty good too. A solar panel for $84, down from like 99 bucks or 119. Yeah, that's actually cheaper than Amazon, guys. Go run down and get them. Those are actually pretty decent. $591 for that light, and then $698 for this 500 lumen light, tactical flashlights. And then the Braun, yes, this is the Fifine LED bar light for $19.99. Yes, I know we had the icon a few days back for $19.99. I missed it, unfortunately, but we got a nice price discount here for $27.99. Not the 19, but it is $27.99. Who knows when they're gonna do that 19 again. So $349 for these and $37 for these shop lights. These are linkable, 10,000 lumen, 4 feet. You got a 5,500 lumen, 4 feet, linkable for $16.99. Just depends on what you want to spend. You got the fuel gallon, 5-gallon fuel canister or container for 18 bucks. Not bad. You got this ladder here for $99. 16 feet reach. These are brand new, guys. I never seen these before. Armstrong two-way radios, $44.99. Can't wait to try those. And then you got some straps, ratcheting, tie downs, $9.49. $12.99 for this hardwood dolly. This 30 by 18. I bought one of these the other day for more than that, and it is solid, so pretty good. All right, so $169 down from $199. It's a UTV winch 5,000 pound. That's pretty good from 199. Then you need a bigger one. This one's a 12,000. This one's 299. This one's the older style that they have. It is actually an upgraded model, but it is the older style. If you guys want the best one, then you're gonna spend a little bit more on that. $16.99. This is a really nice set compressor accessory kit. And these are some more deals that they got. I love those magnets, by the way. I do have a video on how I hooked up some magnets to a toolbox without drilling. And then you got the Warrior socket driver set there. You got a planer there, and angle grinder, reciprocating saw. Pretty much all the tools we went. Yeah, generators, guys. It's a really good deal, a really good time to shop for generators, especially this big one. This one's down from $22.99 to $18.99. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, so that's big beast there if you compare it to the ones on the left. $629 for the 3500 watt super quiet. That's it right there. We just saw that. And then $549 for this one. This was a 2000 watts super quiet. And then you got the pressure washers. So the pressure washer, this one's on sale. This one's $169. It is the 2000 psi. It is electric. Down from $199. Decent. $129 for the utility cart. Removable sides. There you go. And then you got this other one. Portable canopy. $99.99. You got these foldable shop cranes. You got a 2-ton and then a 1-ton for $229. Not bad, guys, because I did have the older style that takes a lot of space. And these are foldable. These are so nice. Just wish I could throw the other one away, you know. Alright, so you got a low profile creeper. These are $19.99. I do have one of these. It works fine. And I'm not the lightest guy. So I know some guys said there's some mixed reviews out there that they break, so I don't know. You got the power inverter. This is a 129. This is a 2000 watts. However, if you want something a little bit cleaner, go for those black ones. Those black ones are pure sine wave. These are cleaner energy. $57.99 for the 6-ton jack stands. That's actually a pretty good deal. Got the car battery jump starter thing for $59. And then here's a jump starter from Viking, $74.99. I do have the older style, still works. I don't know about that one. I never tested. You got the off-road jack for $249. That's it right there. It looks pretty nice. I wish I could afford that. And yes, YouTube does not pay me a lot. So $129 for 3-ton low profile professional jacks. These are really nice. I do have one of these. I have the orange one. Wish I would have had the green one. Like the green better. Stands out a little bit more. But that's the way they look. All the different colors. Same thing with these. These are all different colors. You guys can miss or match all your toolboxes and your jacks and jack stands and all that stuff. So this is a killer deal for this one. This one's we just saw it. It's a 5-drawer mechanic cart for $199. I do have one of these blue ones. Again, I have the Series 2, I believe. I do have an older video on that. If you guys want to check that out, see if I can link it. $19. These are actually pretty decent for kind of like a lend away tool bag, if you want to call it that. But that's these are actually pretty decent. I do have them. They haven't broke yet. These are $18 for some ratcheting wrenches. You got a master socket set, quarter inch drive for $39.99. Pretty nice set. And this is the one of the ones that I love to use. This really nice, really comfortable. I really like the way it's just very precise. So $159 for that one. Another item that I do recommend a lot, 100%, 120% is these. These have been with me for the longest time ever. Still working. So there's a lot to choose from, and some rare actually. You can go with these hexes for $24.99. These are rare to have. These rare. Then you got these big toolboxes again. This was a really nice toolbox. It's pretty much a Cadillac here. $14.99 for that one. It's on sale. So actually a pretty good deal on that for that huge thing. Anyways, that's it for today. Just let us know down in the comment section which one's the tool that you want. Which one's the tool that you broke or that actually sucks. Because we want to know about some talk about trash. There are some trash tools in Harbor Freight, by the way. Not all of them are good. I'm telling you the ones that I personally used or known that somebody else that has used. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.